Then I can cut the yarn tail. And from here, we're going to make that drawstring even in length on both sides. Just negotiate it around. There we go. And then we can pull that drawstring so that it's a nice loose fit. Fold the cuff over again. And now we can tie our little bow on our booty. Are you kidding me? Stop it. Look at these little booties. Oh, I forgot how adorable this pattern is. It makes sense why this is my most viewed video. We're coming close to hitting 1 million views on this video, and you know what? I see why. The pattern for it is so cute. Check out these adorable baby booties. They were so easy. I think the whole thing took me 30 minutes and I was filming. You could knock a couple of pairs of these out, and what an adorable gift to make for a new baby arrival. So they are the measurement for about a 3 to 6 month old. They're about 3 inches long. Lots of room for baby's feet, lots of room for baby's toes. You see they spread out real nice, and then it tapers up to get around the ankle. If you wanted to, you could create stripes or do the cuff area in another color. Like imagine if you did this in a dark gray and that in white, and then you could do like the bow in pink. It could be so cute. I like it all one color, but you do you. If you want to watch the original tutorial and see how my videos have changed over the years, check that out up here. But I really hope you give this baby booty tutorial a try. They are super sweet, super easy, and definitely beginner friendly. All of the stitches I walked through nice and slow in the tutorial, but if you want a little extra information, check up here. I'll link some videos that will help you out. And that's it. The easiest baby booties you will ever make. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Oh, hello. If you needed a reason, here's Mr. Toby, Mr. Tobias. Anyways, leave a thumbs up if you liked the video. I would really appreciate it. It helps the algorithm and it gets the channel out and about to more people who might be interested in this sort of content. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and come back every Tuesday for crochet tutorials and other craft stuff. And come back on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 9 a.m. until 12 p.m. for our live stream where we hang out with all of the pets. We make a lot of crochet projects and we generally just chat and build community there. So if that sounds fun, definitely join us Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.